and it very categorically says that those whose passports are revoked, that revocation order itself can be considered as surrender certificate, and it will be treated as such certificate, and OCI card that will be considered in that manner.
So this, I think, is of great relief, and therefore I believe we have to compliment our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for once again he has proved that whatever he says, he will live up to. Whilst congratulating him, I would also like to thank the Honourable Prime Minister and our Union Home Minister.
Certificate for obtaining an OCI card is welcome, and I am guaranteeing that it will give relief. But I would say one thing, that it was wise decision on the part of the central government to have taken this route, especially in view of the proceedings which had taken place in the High Court. If not, the central government was going to face contempt.
I know one person from Raya, she came the other day, came back to me. They've already succeeded in getting it done. I was the person who was following up with the MHA. She was telling me about such type of cases. So I know people who, could not travel. They wanted to go for a job, they wanted to go for something, they could not travel. They but kitko citizenship dita hai, which condition dita hai. Nobody wants to give a citizenship, but they give it. They don't have an OCI card. For all purposes is required.
लोकांक त्रास पडपा जाय, लोकांक बोवाळ मारपा जाय, लोकांक त्रास पडून लोक सफर जावपाचो, लोक सुसायड करपाचो, आनी हे सगळें केल मुटरी बोवाळ जाल मुटरी मागीर दे गो एंड फायंड अ सोल्युशन. हे जालो सरकाराकडे, आनी हे कांय सरकारान कोर्टां वचनासो लोकांक हे कोण दिल ना. कोर्टांत गेल्ले आनी कोर्टांतल्यान ऑर्डर येयल्ली म्हूण आज हे सरकार हे करता. प्रत्येक गोष्ट हेच